Cody, what you doing, boy? Huh? About to run over Daddy. Cody, what you got in your mouth? You got a seashell? Yeah, that's what you do with everything. Throw it down. What you doing, boy? Better get it. Better get it. Uh-oh, throw it down. You throw everything down. Let me go find me a place to throw this down. Yeah, I see you, boy.
Don't throw it out there.
Where you going, boy? You better come back here. You won't get to eat another Daddy's supper tonight. You better come back here, boy. Boogeyman's gonna get you up there. Yeah. You better come back here. Yeah, boy. Just throw it down. Pick it up. Throw it down. Pick it up. Oh, you done found some more rocks, huh?
Jimmy, you know it's not gonna cost.
Yeah.